everybody, it's Ethany's Hands. Hi! And today I want to make a couple of my own oracle cards. I started this project a little while ago and it did stall a bit, but now I'm back. I don't think I finished with this one. I want to do some more things. I haven't finished with this one. I made a collage with washi flower stickers and then cut that out for that background. That was a failed experiment because the crown was, I did another one of that. That's got to be somewhere. I want to add some 3D elements to this. I really enjoy these two a lot, mostly because it's very my aesthetic. This was a part of a Halloween collection that Michael's had, so I've got to wait all year round for the next Halloween collection. I do still have quite a bit of ephemera from this collection, so I'm just creating some of my own oracle cards, trying to use a lot of my stash. I mentioned that Michelle from Boho Tarot was quite an inspiration for this, so I'm going to do 2 today. I'll see if maybe 3. I do have enough card for 3. These are tarot sized card, and I had a bunch of just sample cards with my bee back, so I'm using those, but you can use anything. Michelle from Boho Tarot uses a deck that she's not going to use, so I'm going to be using my Phomemo today a lot. I have some new gold translucent sticker paper they sent me, and they've been very patient because I said that I would show some designs with this, but I've been traveling and life. So I'm going to be doing a bee themed, yay, bees. So I kind of went through my stash and I got some stuff. So I've got some bee, I might not use all of this, but I want to show you. I have some bee washi tape that I got from Paper Chase in UK. Gold. These are honeycomb ones that I got. I haven't used any of the honeycomb ones. I have this beautiful bee stamp that was sent to me. It may not get used. I have a gazillion stickers, so I picked out some ones with some quotes and some things that I like and I might use. I was trying to do things with bee in them, like be kind. I have this pack from Sticky, The Sweetness of Spring, and it was all, I might go and get myself another pack of this because look at that. That doesn't scream me. I don't know what does. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm a very easy person to, what are they called? Get things for. I like stickers. I found these at Michael's the last time I was there. I'm on a self-imposed don't go into Michael's for a few months thing because it's very dangerous. But I could look, it's got like the moon phases. I might not use this today because we're more doing a bee thing, but check that out. I don't know if we'll be using that, but even the girl behind the counter was like, where did you find those? I have these little flower stickers. I pulled these out because they have a lot of gold elements to them. I have these little bee stickers that I'm going to be maybe using, and I have this beautiful Bow Bunny collection that I got from scrapbook.com, and that's going to be a lot of the backgrounds. I also wanted to do a more rustic back, so I have this origami paper from like Daiso. It's called Phomemo, I think here now. But even the back has got that beautiful like vintage side craft paper. And I also have this. And then I also, which I just kind of forgot until this last second, you see my workspace is full of, I tea stained a bunch of paper, so I might use some of that as well. This is an old folder. I was going to turn it into a book, which I might still, but I might do some more. So I'm going to be doing like peaches and yellows and all sorts of things. We'll see how we go. This gets very kind of like, we'll see how it flows. And if I have enough time to do more than 2, I will. If not, I'll do some more later. I've been doing a lot of pen paling. I think with everyone kind of getting into quarantine and being a little afraid of hopefully everyone keeps their head a little bit. As someone with a compromised immune system, quite a bit with my autoimmune stuff, I get it, but let's all be kind to each other during this time, because that's the only way we're going to kind of get through this. So I kind of wanted to do these like videos and just do some fun stuff. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to speed it up and put some music on, and I hope you enjoy watching me create my own oracle decks. Oh, oracle deck, my own oracle cards. You knew what I meant. Let's do this thing. So these are my 2 cards. I'm so pleased with how they turned out. My trimmer that I tried to use on the second one is not a very good quality one. I'll have to go get my good quality one out of my other desk. I have this thing about really being afraid of using, first of all, the shine on this gold paper, like the sticker paper, is freaking everything. I love it. It's probably going to be heavily used by me. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This was from a stock, the image was from a stock site, and this was from a app like Canva. I have a real issue with like using stickers that I find really pretty, like this one. I would have just like ummed and ahed about where to use this forever, and I'm really glad I used it in something like this because I can use it. What I'm planning on doing is scanning all of them when they're done, so that I don't wreck the originals, and then getting a copy for myself printed so I can use them in readings for myself. Look at the shine. I am really happy with how these turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. But I'm really glad I used the stickers that I did and the washi that I did, and this gold is just, it's so sparkly. I absolutely love it. I will put a link to where you can find the Phomemo below. As I said, they sent me, they're not paying me to do this, but they did send me the paper, so I said I would show. And I have got like now a bunch of stickers. I always over print, and I always use the cut-offs no matter what one they have, because they have like opaque and all that kind of stuff. I use them all the time, so these will be used in my journal or in my pen paling. It goes in my sticker drawer. Oh my gosh, I've got like so many stickers, so I always use them. And as you saw, I used some of the sides for trimming. Yeah, I adore the Phomemo. I use it all the time. Again, thank you. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and until next time, maybe we'll get the other 2 done in a different theme. Bye.